Hi everyone, today we will be discussing the problems of miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 6, and in this exercise the problems included will be of type double inequality. Okay, so let's start with the problems. First question is, the heading is solve the inequalities in the exercise from 1 to 6. First question is 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. So here you can see that you have a double inequality, and this type of problem how we will solve is, actually here we have to find out the value of x only, but the method will be you have to first make this x term alone where it is lying. That means you have to first remove this minus 4 from the inequality or from this portion, and then you have to remove this 3 also, so that this in between term becomes only x. Okay, so in order to delete this minus 4 from this, what we have to do is we are adding 4 throughout the inequality. Adding 4 throughout the inequality means this will become 2 plus 4 less than equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than equal to 5 plus 4. So here you are getting 6 less than equal to, this will become 3x less than or equal to 9. Now the next purpose is to remove this 3. It is in the product form, so you have to divide throughout by 3. So you will get 6 by 3 less than equal to 3x by 3 less than equal to 9 by 3. That means you will get 2 less than equal to x less than or equal to 3. Okay, so this is your answer. That means x is lying between 2 and 3. Or you can just represent this as x belongs to closed interval 2, 3. That means if you have equal to sign in the inequality both the sides, then this will be closed. That means x can be any value lying between 2 and 3 as well as 2 and 3. Okay. Question number 2 is 6 less than equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4 less than 12. So here first of all we have to remove this negative 3 from this part. So dividing throughout by negative 3 will be our first step. And again you know that since it is a negative quantity, dividing or multiplying with a negative quantity will reverse the order. That means reverse the direction of the inequality. So less than or equal to will become greater than equal to, less than will become greater than. So we are just dividing throughout by negative 3. Okay, dividing by negative 3 will give you 6 by minus 3. This will become greater than or equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4 divided by minus 3. Again less than will become greater than 12 by minus 3. Okay. Now here you will get minus 2 greater than or equal to, this will get cancelled. This will give you 2x minus 4 greater than, this is minus 4. Now here you have 2x minus 4 means first you will remove minus 4 from this part. That means throughout you will add 4. You will get minus 2 plus 4 greater than equal to 2x minus 4 plus 4 will give you 0. Then so the term becomes 2x, and this is greater than minus 4 plus 4. We are getting here 2 greater than equal to 2x greater than 0. Now your purpose is to remove this 2, that is dividing throughout by 2. What you will get, 2 by 2 is greater than equal to 2x by 2 is greater than 0 by 2. That is 1 is greater than or equal to x greater than 0. Or you can just reverse it and write, reverse in the sense you are just writing the same meaning sentence, that is 0 less than x less than or equal to 1, in order to understand it better. Rather than this will be more easy to understand. And what is the meaning of this? How can you represent this? That is x belongs to, x can take any value between 0 and 1 including 1. So it will be 0, 1, but since here you have equal to sign, this will be closed interval, and here you have only less than, so it will be open interval. Okay, this is open and the right side is closed. So this is your solution. Okay. Question number 3 is minus 3 less than or equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to 18. So first we will remove this 4. That means we have to subtract 4 throughout. Okay, so it will become minus 3 minus 4 less than or equal to, this 4 will be deleted, minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to again 18 minus 4. This will give you minus 7 less than or equal to minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to 14. Now we will remove 2. That means you have to multiply throughout by 2. So it will give you minus 7 into 2 minus 14 less than or equal to minus 7x less than or equal to 28. Now you have to remove minus 7. Again it is negative sign. That means the sign of the inequality gets reversed. That means it will become minus 14 by minus 7 greater than or equal to minus 7x by minus 7 greater than or equal to 28 by minus 7. Okay, this is very important. Now here what you will get, negative gets cancelled and this will give you 2. Greater than or equal to this will become x. Greater than or equal to this will give you minus 4. Now again we are just rewriting this as minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Both have the same meaning. And what is the meaning of this in terms of interval basis? You can say that x belongs to, or x can be anything, can have any value between minus 4 and 2. Any real number between minus 4 and 2. And again you have equal to on both the inequality side. Both the double inequality you have equal to also. So it will be closed interval minus 4, 2. Okay. Question number 4 is minus 15 less than 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 0. First we have to remove 5. So we are multiplying throughout by 5. What you will get? Minus 15 into 5, 75. So it is minus 75 less than 3 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0 into 5 will again give you 0 only. Now you have to remove this 3. For that we have to divide throughout by 3. So you will get minus 75 by 3 is less than x minus 2 is less than or equal to again 0 by 3 is 0 only. So minus 75 by 3 will give you minus 25 less than x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now what is the thing? We have to remove minus 2. That means we are adding 2 throughout. So minus 25 plus 2 less than x less than or equal to 0 plus 2. This will give you minus 23 less than x less than or equal to 2. Now here you can see that you have less than sign and here you have less than or equal to sign. So the solution when you write, you have to write it as this is open, here it is closed. That is for 2 it is closed, for minus 23 it is open. So this is your solution. X belongs to open, minus 23 to closed. Question number 5. Minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x by minus 5 less than or equal to 2. So first purpose is to remove 4. That means negative 4 should be added or 4 should be subtracted throughout. So you'll get minus 12 minus 4 less than, this 4 is gone, minus 3x by minus 5 less than or equal to 2 minus 4. This will give you minus 16 less than, negative get cancelled and you will get 3x by 5 here less than or equal to, this will give you minus 2. Now you have to remove 5. Next step is multiply throughout by 5. So you'll get minus 16 into 5 which is minus 80 less than 3x less than or equal to minus 2 into 5 which is minus 10. Now remove this 3. So you'll get minus 80 by 3. You are dividing throughout by 3 less than x less than or equal to minus 10 by 3. So how can you represent in interval form? You'll get x belongs to, here it is less than, here it is less than or equal to. So here open, minus 80 by 3 and minus 10 by 3 will have closed brackets. The meaning is x can take any value in between minus 80 by 3 and minus 10 by 3 and it can also have minus 10 by 3 as the value but not minus 80 by 3. Okay. Question number 6. 7 less than or equal to 3x plus 11 whole divided by 2 less than or equal to 11. What is the first thing to do? You have to remove this 2. That means multiplying throughout by 2 you will get 14 less than or equal to 3x plus 11 less than or equal to 22. Okay. Then you have to remove plus 11 from this. That means you have to subtract 11 throughout. 14 minus 11 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 22 minus 11. This will give you 3 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 11. Now you have to remove 3. So dividing throughout by 3 you will get 3 by 3 less than or equal to 3x by 3 less than or equal to 11 by 3. or 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 11 by 3, which means that x can be any value in between 1 and 11 by 3, including 1 and 3. That means close bracket, equal to sign, close bracket. Okay. So this is a solution. Question number 7. From 7 to 10, you have to solve the inequality as well as you have to represent the solution graphically on a number line. You have to show the region for the number line, what will be the solution accordingly. Okay. So first question, that is question number 7, is 5x plus 1 is greater than minus 24 and 5x minus 1 is less than 24. So we will just solve them separately and then try to combine them if possible. Okay. So first what we need to do is we have to just take this minus 1 or remove this minus 1 from this side. For that, sorry, plus 1 from this side. For that we have to just subtract minus 1 both the sides. So you'll get 5x is greater than minus 24. Either you can think like that or you can just take this plus 1 to the other side so that it becomes minus 1. So you have 5x is greater than minus 25, or again you have to remove 5 from this side in order to make x alone in one side. So dividing throughout by 5, you will get x is greater than minus 25 by 5, or you can say x is greater than minus 5. So x is greater than minus 5 is one solution. The next we will see. For this one, you have to remove minus from. So you have to just add 1 on both sides or take this to the other side. Both have the same meaning. So you'll get 5x is less than 24 plus 1, or 5x is less than 25. Again, removing 5 from both the sides, we have to, sorry, from this side you are removing and you are dividing throughout by 5. What you will get, x is less than 25 by 5, which is 5. So the two things which you got are x is greater than minus 5 and x is less than 5. Okay. Together, when we mix these two inequalities, we will get, combining these two, we will get minus 5 is less than x is less than 5. See here, x is less than 5 and x is greater than minus 5 is same as minus 5 is less than x. Okay, so this is the inequality finally which you got after combining the two given inequalities. This is the double inequality. That means it is giving you actually the value of or the range of x from where to where it is varying. And this shows that the values which x can take are from minus 5 to 5, any real number from minus 5 to 5, but not including minus 5 and 5. Now, how to represent on a number line? So, I have drawn the number line. Now, we will just show the region showing this solution as minus 5 to 5. Okay. So, we have to actually draw a darkened line from minus 5 to 5. That is highlighting that portion which is the solution of x, and the other thing which you need to do is, since it is less than, both the sides less than, that means minus 5 and 5 both are not included, you have to just make a hollow circle there in order to show that minus 5 is not there, and a hollow circle on your 5 also, so that it is also not included, you are showing. Okay. Hollow circle. Now, if it was a solution, that means if you have a equal to sign there, then what you do is you have to just darken the circle which we have hollowed it. This should be darkened there. Okay. So this is the solution for the given inequality. Question number 8 is 2 into x minus 1 is less than x plus 5 and 3 into x plus 2 is greater than 2 minus x. So first we will start with this inequality. 2x minus 2 is less than x plus 5, expanding the left hand side. Now collecting the terms of x together in one side, so you will get 2x minus x is less than, this 2 is going there and becoming plus 2. Okay, here you have 2x minus x as x is less than 7. So this is your one inequality. And next thing here, again you are multiplying 3x plus 6 is greater than 2 minus x. Now collecting x term, you will get 3x plus x greater than 2 you have, plus 6 will go there as minus 6. So you are having 4x is greater than minus 4. Again, deleting this or dividing throughout by 4 will give you only x in the left hand side. So x is greater than minus 4 by 4, or you can say x is greater than minus 1. Okay, so these are the two inequalities you are getting. X less than 7 and x is greater than minus 1. Now combining these two inequality, you can just write them as minus 1 is less than x less than 7. That is, this is the same meaning as x belongs to the open interval minus 1 comma 7. Now in order to show this on the number line, have drawn this number line. Now we are just showing this result or the solution on the number line minus 1 comma 7. The meaning of minus 1 comma 7 is open interval. Again, you have to just put a hollow circle over your minus 1 as well as 7 because both are less than only, you don't have an equal to sign, and darken the line in between them. Shade this so that it highlights your solution minus 1 comma 7. Okay, this is your minus 1 comma 7 open interval. Clear? Question number 9 is 3x minus 7 is greater than 2 into x minus 6 and 6 minus x is greater than 11 minus 2x. So here again we are expanding. 3x minus 7 is greater than 2x minus 12. Taking the x terms together, you will get 3x minus 2x is greater than minus 12 plus 7. This is x greater than minus 5. So one thing you got it to be x is greater than minus 5. Now here you will get 6 minus x is greater than 11 minus 2x, right? So what we are doing is we are just taking the x term to the right hand side. Minus 2x will come here as positive 2x, minus x here itself, and we are just taking this 6 to the other side where you have 11. So this will become 11 minus 6 and this will give you x greater than 5. So this is the other inequality. So you have two things, which is x is greater than minus 5 and x is greater than 5. Both are greater than. In other inequalities you were having greater than and less than, and we are able to combine. Now how will we combine this? See, if I have this is minus 5 and this is 5, I am getting the inequality as x can be greater than minus 5 and x can be greater than 5. Now if I say x is greater than 5, it is automatically following that x is greater than minus 5 also. So what I will do is we will just combine these two together, and these two simultaneously will give you that x greater than 5 is enough to say, because it will automatically give you this result also. If it is greater than 5, it is, yes, obviously greater than minus 5 also. And x greater than 5 is symbolically represented in your interval basis as x belongs to open 5. Greater than 5 means it can be anything again greater than 5. So it is 5 comma infinity open interval. Now in your number line, how will you represent this? So on this number line, we have to just shade 5 comma infinity. So it will be starting from 5. Again it is open interval, that is greater than only. So you have to just put a hollow circle here and then highlight this portion. Darken this portion till infinity. Okay, that means it can have any value that side. Okay, that is your solution. 5 comma infinity open, 5 comma infinity. Question number 10 is 5 into 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 0, and 2x plus 19 is less than or equal to 6x plus 47. So we'll start with first inequality. This will give you after expansion 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. 10x minus 6x will give you 4x. 35 and 9 will give you 44. So it is minus 44 less than or equal to 0. That means 4x is less than or equal to 44. If you take this to the other side, it will become positive 44. And dividing throughout by 4, you will get x is less than or equal to 44 by 4, which is 11. So one inequality you got. Next we will go to the other one, which is 2x plus 19 less than or equal to 6x plus 47. So you get 2x minus 6x, taking this to the left side, less than or equal to 47 minus 90. 2x minus 6x will give you minus 4x, less than or equal to, here you will have 47 minus 19 as 28. Now you have to remove negative 4, that is minus 4 from the left hand side, means you are dividing throughout by a negative number. That means the inequality will change its sign. So this will give you minus 4x divided by minus 4. Now if you write, no, the right hand side will not go wrong, otherwise the negative sign you will forget. You will just change the inequality, but this is actually 28 by minus 4, so that here you are getting x is greater than or equal to minus 7. Okay, so inequality has been changed and you have got x is greater than or equal to minus 7. So combining these two, that is x is less than or equal to 11 and x is greater than or equal to minus 7, will give you minus 7 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 11. Or you can say that x is belonging to closed interval minus 7 comma 11. Now you have to represent this on the number line. So minus 7 comma 11 will be represented on the number line as this is minus 7. Again, it is less than or equal to means it is a darkened circle. Okay, you just darken that point, and 11 also. It is also included, so darken that. And in between you have to shade. That means darken the line in between minus 7 and 11, and that will give you the solution. Which solution? Which is representing minus 7 comma 11 closed interval. Okay.